What's up, winners? On this channel we learn to see through manipulation, have fun doing it. We're going to go through some extra details you may have missed here because I was looking at some of it. So we're going to be a little more detailed going through the trailer and do some detailed body language. Sorry, I'm a little out of it. Unfortunately, we have bad news. Luna did not make it. But yeah, I'll do a separate channel for the dog stuff.
Let's go. I've always loved taking something pretty ordinary.
So, one big thing that I noticed was something I say about Meghan a lot is a lot of expressions she does, they don't look like real expressions, but not just fake ones, but they very particularly look like someone who is trying to do that expression and practice it in the mirror in a cute way, right? Like the way you see it in movies. So for example,
let's go.
No one does this in real life. Let's go. Like, it's so fake. You could see she even has a self-conscious expression. And something so interesting about Meghan is she's so like conscienceless in her actions, allegedly, at least from what I see, but she does get self-conscious sometimes when she lies, but she does it to a limitless extent.
I've always loved taking something pretty ordinary and elevating it, surprising people.
So again, her expressions here, if you go back,
Elevating.
you see she has these, I'll let you guys go back yourselves if you want, these concerned expressions. It's like, okay, I need to get the move done, right? It's like, get the shot, get the shot. You see that with Meghan a lot. So that's what I'm doing here. We're getting some more things.
Surprising people with moments that let them know I was really thinking of them.
What? This is probably one of the most glamorous moments of my life.
It's magic.
That was the one I really want to cover too. So starting with her friend, what? It's just very forced, right? Like if someone really shocked you, like what? Like, or what? Not like, what? It's very like forced out. And again, do people really laugh that way? Like just very much overdoing the expressions. And we see that a lot with Meghan when she's competing for attention with people, right? Someone laughs and she'll do it bigger. But we can just see the too big fake movements.
I'm gonna share some little tips and tricks. I see what color I gravitate to, and everything goes from there. And how you can incorporate these practices every day. That's what you want. You want that shape and texture.
Again, I've said this before, and others have said it too now. She looks uncoordinated when she cooks, right? Like,
that's
and
what you want. You want that shape and
like concerned expressions. That's also like she looks like, okay, I need to get this done. Like, it just, that's not a comfortable cook, right? When you're doing something you do all the time, you're like, yeah, you're relaxed, right? Even if someone's stressed while they're showing it, like they're self-conscious, just the movements aren't going to be that difficult.
Texture. Come on. This is about connecting with friends.
That's another one,
I love
right?
that we're doing this together for the first.
Her little run around thing, like he's very overdone. I think it's gonna last the one season.
Time. Making new friends. That is so good.
We're family now.
And just learning. Look at how much honey we have.
Do you believe it?
Again, that was very fake.
We're not
right?
in the
Just all these over the top. Look at how much honey we have. Just do you notice that almost all of her big emotions in this, they're just like our brains like ugh, right? Because we notice the incongruency. Let me know if I said that wrong. Oh, one of you corrected me on beige, not beige, so thank you for that. I'm always fine with being corrected. Beige. A lot of words I've read a lot.
Woke us all up. We're in the pursuit of joy. Love is in the details.
I have to do it totally wrong
To get it totally right.
Oh my gosh. So all those, right? Right? She was not happy that lemon went in her face, but she's trying to pretend like it is, and then just the huge over the top flip, like just trying so hard to pretend to be having fun. A lot of people have said it's just like a throwback, right? Maybe like the early 2000s, the 90s, like people said about like the content, but I also think this style of super fake reality TV. Oh, God. was very fake.
like I believe.
With love. What a name. What a name. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you soon.